Okay, what was your name again?
Jathu, here, mix this up.
Okay, here.
That's so not nice.
It's just recording, okay? So right now I'm mixing up the thing, okay? He's gonna solve us the Rubik's Cube in less than a minute.
Okay, hero.
What's your score?
1 minute 55 seconds.
He's gonna do less than a minute for us, okay? He's gonna solve the Rubik's Cube less than a minute.
I haven't reached that yet.
Okay.
Bye.
Run from your dog. He means that you don't like
Look
him.
at that. It's professionals. Shooting, oh. Shooting.
Okay, go running and just falling and then after when you sat down.
Exactly, you weren't supposed to run.
Because just
Yeah, under close up, but make sure it's
Crazy.
Okay. I need to put your camera.
don't let camera on the camera on the point is
Basically,
Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yo, I'm recording here.
point out to be seen.
are you sure?
No, now it's recording, so for sure. I forgot. I was so excited that I can record
Your
before.
sister or you?
This is like a third time he's doing this. It's crazy. Just amazing. Somebody could solve the Rubik's Cube in front of your eyes. Okay, you have like 20 seconds left for 1 minute.
I haven't reached that speed yet.
That hurt.
I'm still practicing.
Areen?
That's crazy. You ever seen these people on American Got Talent that did the magic Rubik's Cube? They solved the Rubik's Cube in like a second or something?
Oh,
That's impossible.
my gosh.
Well,
The
But still.
dog that came.
It's possible, right?
well, like scientifically not. To do it second, no human can do it that fast. There, done.
Oh, look at that. Crazy. It was all mixed up. I mixed it up myself. Shit. This is no scam or anything. This is real. Shit, man. Shit. I'm gonna give a shout out to yourself.
What?
Shout out to yourself. Like, you tell your Instagram and stuff.
Follow my Instagram, Prime Minute 15.